like this?
Oh, she's demonstrating it for us, guys. Oh yeah, no. This is the real deal. Determined Gardener here. Let's go shopping at one of my favorite stores. It's Aldi. Looky here. This, I think, is the best bargain. This is 4 plant trays, and it comes with lids for $4.99, guys. These are trays, seed starter trays. It's kind of like a self-watering a little bit. You put the water at the bottom. You can see the holes in the little sections, and it comes with a lid. I love this. This is a really great buy. I think this is even better than Home Depot or Lowe's. This is a great bargain if you're just starting out and you want to start your seeds now. I had to pick this watering bulbs. Look how pretty that is. It went right in my cart. It's green and purple, and it's supposed to be a glass watering bulbs. Now, I don't really like those, but the fact that it looks like this is really a statement. For me, that's what it's all about this year. Easy elegance. I don't know what your Aldi looks like, but this Aldi really needs a little bit of organization here. Look, it's a little messy. We got a set of 3 plant trellises, and this one comes in gold. You can see the different designs, and this one is in black. This design, I think I like the gold one a little better, and this is $4.99 for the set of plant trellises. Garden friends, so I am at another Aldi, and this one is even better than the one I showed you before. Take a look at this Bypass Professional Garden Pruners for $5.99. It looks absolutely sturdy, and you can really do a lot in the garden. Cocoa plant support stakes for $3.99. This is for indoor plants. You just wrap like a vining plant around it, and it supports it and it stands up for $3.99. $9.99 for these accent fake flowers. What's your name?
My name is Sue.
Sue, okay. So Sue, what do you think about those fall
I
flowers?
think they're pretty. They're very delicate, but I wouldn't think they were worth $9.99, honestly. So I like them, but not for the price. It's not something I would pick up.
Yeah, I think it's something that you can actually make from like Dollar Tree or Dollar General.
Exactly, where you could pick your own florals and maybe max spend $3 or $4.
I don't know why it's that expensive.
I don't know either.
So guys, what do you think? Way too expensive? Would you get something like that for $9.99? Another thing that's $9.99 that I think is very worth it is this 15-inch planter. It's made out of resin. It's pretty strong. It does have drainage holes that you have to drill yourself. It's not self-watering, but it does look very nice and pretty. This is in gray, and this is in a nice bright teal color. I just saw a customer grab like 3 of them. So if you are at Aldi, this may be a really great buy to get. Bobblehead owls. Now, I got something like this similar at Home Depot, but the head did not move like this. The only thing is, after a while, the squirrels and birds and other critters realize that this is not alive. This does work for a day or so, but I think you need like maybe some type of like buzzing sound or alert system to drive them away. But this is $9.99 for these owls.
Look at this bunny. Not only is this bunny cute, he lights up. She lights up. Also, it is on a timer. Oh yeah, no. This is the real deal. Yep.
Wow. And
So
how
if
much
you find
is
it, $9.99, $10.
Oh wow.
For that money, I love it.
Tanya's not going to put it in her garden, but she's going to put it in her window, and it's going to look gorgeous. Oh, the garden's going to get wet? You're going to put it in your window, right?
And then look at this.
Oh,
You
wow.
Put a light underneath there where my hand is holding it. And again, you have...
you're taking?
I'm taking, yeah.
Yeah, she got some great finds here at Aldi. Come down at Aldi. I'm not a big indoor plant person, but I always need extra room to put my plants. And take a look at this plant stand. Isn't it gorgeous? And this would most likely work indoors. I don't think it's going to work outdoors. I mean, if you are in an area where you don't get a lot of rain, this would work. But this is really an indoor plant stand. Nothing screams spring like garlands. Isn't that pretty? Now, this is a spring garland. Looks a little beat up. I think this is $2.99 or $3.99. I'm not sure because, oh no, it's $19.99. I would pass on that. But, I mean, it's pretty. I mean, it's fake, but I'd leave that behind. Definitely not worth $19.99. I couldn't resist this. This is a propagation station. How cute is that? This is $9.99. I'm always looking for cuttings. And you know, sometimes you don't want to put it in just a regular plastic cup. You want it to look a little cute, right? Especially if you're going to put it on your dining room table or your living room table. So this is what it actually looks like. It's missing a vase, but look at how cute it is. All the vases just pop in there just like that. It's hard plastic. So this is $9.99 and it swings. Oh, this is so cute. So this is definitely going in my cart.
I have to get to the girl next door. She just lost her bunny.
Oh,
So yeah,
oh.
she had beautiful bunny.
What's your name?
Roxanne.
Roxanne says that she's going to get that because her neighbor lost her bunny. So she's going to get that beautiful glass bunny. Isn't that beautiful?
Awesome.
We are getting so much joy from this video, guys. Leave me a heart or a like because we are definitely getting so much inspiration here at Aldi. All these bulbs are $7.49. They have dahlia bulbs and a pollinator garden. How cute is that for $7.99? And cannas, and I see liatris, all these types of bulbs right here at Aldi. Blackout lily, and there's 5 in a pack. Your gladiolas, and this is really cute, a perfect blend of daisies. And I think how many bulbs in here? Not sure. There's 9 bulbs, 9 different bulbs for $7.99. This package only comes with 1 peony, and it's the Carl Rosenfield peony. And I have that in my garden. I can't wait to start my peonies. I have about 30 varieties. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to keep peonies thriving throughout the season. Take a look at what I found. Ooh, I think this is coming home with me. These are elephant ears. 3 elephant ears for $7.49. The more I look, the more I'm in trouble. I am seeing some great garden finds. Take a look at this bee butterfly garden right here. Isn't that gorgeous? This would be perfect in my shade garden. A whole variety of hostas for $7.49. Now, if you think about it, if you get something like this in Home Depot, it's going to be so much more expensive. But this starts as a bulb, so you're going to have to be patient. But just take a look at the different hostas that you get. Here's another one. If you like dahlias, 3 dahlia bulbs. This pop-up garden bag. And you can put your leaves in here. I love the color. And it comes with a handle. So I think you just open it up and it just pops up and out. And you can put your leaves or any debris or any, grass clippings, anything that you need if you are working in the garden. Do you like the pop-up bag?
But I like them very much.
You do?
How much are they coming
They're
up?
$6.99.
Oh, they cheap. Yeah, I ought to take it.
You want to take it? Yeah, I'm grabbing myself one.
I'm gonna return the one that it's actually damaged a little bit here. The wire is coming out. But I love it because then when you gotta you can flip it over and just dump it.
Oh, and just dump it like
Right?
that. That's how you flip it over and you
Yeah.
dump it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You don't have to stress yourself. Or
I love
anything
it because
how am
I always
gonna
have
do
glass
it?
clippings.
And then you go like this.
Oh, she's demonstrating it for us, guys. Show me how you put it over your shoulder.
Yeah, like this.
Isn't that awesome?
Yard.
You're going to get it?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, awesome. Yeah.
Yeah. See, guys, so many finds at Aldi, so many garden finds. Get yourself here at Aldi, here at the Determined Gardener, giving you all these nice bargains for your garden to elevate your space. This is really cute. This is some dual head plant grow lights. I might actually get this. This is $9.99 for your indoor plants. And it also has a timer and it comes with a red and blue light. It also has different colors, which I think is really, really cool for $9.99. Love that blue color. I think I'm going to get this. I'm going to try this out. This is going in my cart. We all need seedlings paper pots. These are really cute. This is 30 for $3.99. I mean, I like the way it looks. It's biodegradable, so you can put your plants in here and then just put it in your raised bed or put it right straight in your garden. I'm not a big indoor plant person, but I always need extra room to put my plants. And take a look at this plant stand. Isn't it gorgeous? And this would most likely work indoors. I don't think it's going to work outdoors. I mean, if you are in an area where you don't get a lot of rain, this would work. But this is really an indoor plant stand. It doesn't come with a price, but just take a look at it. Isn't it beautiful? This would definitely look nice in your bedroom, your living room, in a corner area. They got these decorative baskets for $7.99. Now, this is really for indoors, but you can use it outdoors to collect your vegetables, dry vegetables like lettuce, collard greens. I wouldn't leave it outside, but it's cute, and it only comes in black. Wooden potting bench for $39.99. Now, I'm not going to move it because it's way too heavy, but you can see from the design right there, it's made out of pure wood. You'd probably want to finish it, but I actually like the natural finish. I think it gives it a more natural look. And so this is $39.99, and I was hoping that this can be easily put together. It comes in 3 different levels. And you can see right here, there is a shelf that is plastic that you can put your pots or any other tools. Got some Garden Line landscape fabric for $9.99. It is 26 feet. Now, I think it's cloth, and just keep in mind, don't get the plastic. I used plastic before and it doesn't degrade, it doesn't wear out that easily. The plastic is really not something that you want. You want to get cloth, because when I got the plastic, 3 years later, it's still there. So if you are thinking of getting the plastic, skip that. Or you can use cardboard as well, or cardboard paper. Just make sure that it doesn't have any glue or any coloring in it. Anybody know what type of plant that is? Let me know in the comment section. But you can see the stand is very light. Now this is $12.99 in this box. I'm looking at it and I don't really know if it's worth it, because it feels kind of cheap actually. It feels like it's not very sturdy or strong. So even though the design may look really nice and attractive, I don't know how much this would really hold up. So I would pass. They have this self-watering planter for $4.99. Inside of it, it has the grooves to help with watering. It's hanging by these cables. It's okay. Again, it's only $4.99, so what can you expect? It's not the prettiest, but hopefully it does the job. If you guys are starting your seeds indoors, here's the seed starting pellets for $4.99. 96 pellets comes in this package. And guys, they have some live plants here. These aloe vera plants. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look how nice and big that is. It comes in this really pretty pot. And this, I think, I'm not sure. What is the price on this? Let me see. It does not say, but it comes in a 10-inch pot for, I'm not sure. I'm assuming it's $9.99. It doesn't really have a price. But yeah, aloe vera plants here at Aldi. When I saw this grow light, I had to have it. The colors is what made me want to buy it. Just look at the space. It just lights it up so beautiful. It comes in blue, fuchsia, and an orange red. Isn't that beautiful? I have it under my Vego Garden self-watering herb planter. I love this planter because it will tell me when to water it, and you can see my herbs are doing fantastic. I'm growing basil, parsley, and cilantro. If you're interested in growing indoor herbs, you can go to Vego Garden's website, search for the self-watering planter, and use my bonus code DG10 off to get a special discount. when I saw these propagation vases, I had to have it. Now, I couldn't decide between white and wood, so I decided to get both. Which one do you like? Do you like the white stand or the wood stand? You can see that I am trying to regrow roses. These are rose stems that I am trying to grow, and you can see that there are little flowers already growing in these beautiful vases. Now the vases are made out of glass, so you have to be very careful. I would like it to be made out of plastic just in case that if it falls, it doesn't break. But I love the aesthetics of it all. It is so pretty. I just love this propagation station from Aldi. Before, I would use my regular trash can in the garden and I would move it from one space to the other, and it wasn't really that great. Now with this pop-up bag, it's so much easier to move. It's lighter. I can bend down. It has handles. I use it to collect leaves, debris, anything that may be in the garden that I need to pick up really quickly. So it saves me a lot of time and energy from dragging out my regular garbage can. It's a beautiful green color. The aesthetics is pretty, and it's just so much more easier to handle than a regular garbage can. And I really feel that Aldi is a best kept secret for garden supplies. No more going to the big box stores, because this is becoming one of my favorite garden stores. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Don't forget to hit that sub button, that like button. And if you got any good information from this video, please share it with your family and friends. Until next time, guys, stay rooted. Bye-bye.